How do you do? Today we are going to learn a new lesson which is find the missing number in the addition problem. Okay, let's start by page 177. Before we start, let's revise on something. If we have 3 plus space equals to 8. How we can solve it? 3 plus what equals 8? We made 8 minus 3. Remember at grade 2, if we want the missing number in an addition problem, we revise the signs. Plus becomes a minus and we make the greatest number minus the smaller number. 8 minus 3, which is equals to 5. So the missing number is 5. So that was about how to solve a missing addition problem. Now let's read this story problem. Mahmoud raises chicken in the past 2 years. يعني كان عندي واحد اسمه محمود بيربي فراخ في آخر سنتين. His chickens have laid 5,350 eggs. يعني الفراخ بيضوا 5,350 eggs. بيضوا النمبر ده من الاكس. Last year his chickens laid 2,120 eggs. في آخر سنة الchickens بتوعه بيضوا 2,120 eggs. How many eggs did his chicken lay 2 years ago? يعني هو كان كله عنده 5,350 eggs. آخر سنة منهم الشيكن بتاعته laid 2,120. عايز يعرف بقى في آخر سنة دي كام عدد الايجز اللي اتباضت من التشيكن. فبنعمل هنا كده 2,120 plus what equals 5,350. Okay, this is a solved example, so we will make 5,350 minus 2,120, which will give us 3,230. Okay, again we will make 5,350 minus 2,120. 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 5 minus 2 equals to 3, 3 minus 1 equals to 2, 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So the answer is 3,230x. Now let's go to page 187 and let's read the story problems here. The library can hold 2,475 books. عندي مكتبة بتشيل 2,475 books. But 525 books are out on loan. loan يا ولاد زي الاستلاف، يعني في 525 books الناس مستلفاها بره المكتبة يعني. And 137 books are missing. وفي 137 books ضايعين مش لاقيينهم. How many books are there in the library right now? Again, the library can hold 2,475, but there are missing books and boxes on loan. Okay, first we will add the boxes that are outside the library, the loan boxes and the missing boxes. 525 plus 137. Now let's add 5 plus 7 equals to 12. Write 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So the books outside the library are 662. And the book can hold 2,475. Now let's subtract 662 from 2,475 to know the number of books are in the library right now. 2,475 minus 662. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. 4 minus 6, we can't subtract 4 minus 6, so 4 becomes 1. 4 borrow 1 from 2 to become 14, and 2 becomes 1. 14 minus 6 equals to 8. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So we have right now in the library 1,813 books. Okay, number 2. 3 boxes filled with books were just delivered to the library. We are continue on the last example, and this is the continue of our story. Okay, 3 boxes filled with books were just delivered to the library. If each box is filled with 215 books. We have three boxes. Each box contains 215 books. 215 books, 215 books. How many books were delivered? So we will just add 215 plus 215 plus 215. Let's add here 215 plus 215 plus 215. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 15. Write 5 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. So the number of boxes that are delivered is 645 boxes. Problem number 3, we continue on the example of the library and the boxes, okay? The librarian takes some of the new boxes out of the box. Remember, the new boxes were 645. Now the librarian takes some of the new boxes out of the box. Now there are only 510 books in the boxes. How many books did the librarian take out of the boxes? We were having 645 books and the librarian take from them 510. How many boxes are left? How many books are left? We will make 645 minus 510. You were having 645 books and the librarian took from them 510. We wanted to know the number of the left books, so we will subtract. 5 minus 0 equals to 5, 4 minus 1 equals to 3, 6 minus 5 equals to 1. So the remaining books are 135 books. Let's go to page 179. Amir's family is saving to buy a new TV. يحوشوا عشان يجيبوا تلفزيون جديد. The TV costs 4590 LE. يبقى سعر التلفزيون 4590. Amir saved 2410. هم حوشوا منهم 2410. How much more money do they need before they can buy the TV? So the price of the TV was 4590. And Amir family have 2410. Okay, how much more money left for them to buy the TV? We will subtract. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So they have to save 2180 LE more to buy this TV, okay? Example number 5, let's read. Omar just moved to the city. He found an apartment to rent for 3340 LE per month. يعني عندي عمر جاي لسه جديد في القاهرة أو في أي مدينة ولقى شقة الإيجار بتاعها في الشهر 3340 per month. Electricity and gas will cost him 692 LE per month. يعني هو بيدفع فاتورة كهرباء وغاز في الشهر 692. How much money will it cost him to each month to live? يعني يا أولاد هو بيسألني هو بقى هيدفع قد إيه كل شهر عشان يعيش الشقة دي. فهو المفروض he will pay the cost of the rent and the cost of electricity and the gas. The cost of rent was 3340 plus the cost of the electricity and the gas, which is 692. Let's see how much money will Omar pay in the months. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. 4 plus 9 equals to 13. Write 3, carry up 1. 1 plus 3 plus 6 equals to 10. Write 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So Omar will pay 4032 LE per month to live in this apartment. Now let's see the next example. We continue on Omar's story problem. If Omar had 5000 LE to spend each month, يعني مثلا عمر ده مرتبه 5000 LE. How much money does he have left after he pays for rent, electricity and gas؟ يعني دلوقتي يا أولاد عمر أصلا زي مثلا مرتبه 5000 LE. هيتبقى له كام من ال 5000 LE دي؟ بعد ما يصرف منهم فلوس الرنت الإيجار والجاز والكهرباء. طيب احنا حسبنا الفلوس اللي هو دفعها 4032 وهو مرتبه 5000. هيتبقى له كام من 5000؟ we will subtract 5000 minus 4032. Now let's subtract 0 minus 2. 0 will borrow 1 to become 10. 10 minus 2 equals 2, 8. And 0, it must be 10, but we have borrowed from it 1, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 3 equals 2, 6. And 0, it's a 9, but we have borrowed from it 1, so it becomes 8. 8 minus 0 equals 2, 8. And the 5, we have borrowed from it 1, so it becomes 4. 4 minus 4 equals 2, 0. So the left money with Omar will be 868 after he pay the cost of rent, electricity, and gas. Okay. Our math session is ended today. Goodbye, grade 3, and see you in the Zoom session tomorrow. Goodbye.